Yes friends, so now guess what is in this packet. Actually it presents Snapdeal, doesn't show the name of the product, so that is surprise for you. So start unpackaging of this packet. Okay, so it will be interesting to see what is in the packet. You can just guess what is this packet. Plastic is so quite hard, but you can remove it easily. Okay, so without disturbing, let me try. Okay, so here my friend, you can see. Now try to focus. Yeah, so this is a sticker card. Item code is written here, manufacturing date, country of origin India, and there is the SD card, SD from Snapdeal, and this is the lovely packaging of the sticker, wall sticker. Actually it is everywhere is written the sticker card. So let's try to open it. Now from there you can remove the tape. Okay, removing. So what we got inside it is something different and something new for me, and obviously for you. So let me try to. Okay, yes, so this is the box and this is the sticker. As you can see, the whole sticker is very long, and yeah, so the number is represent here to show that where it be puzzle, like a puzzle. So you can just stick on wall with the numbers that you can arrange it, and every numbers. So you just, I think you just pull it out and stick on the wall. Now here is the manual. You can read me first. Stick card. Okay, so first make sure the wall surface is smooth, free of moisture, dust and dirt. So there is instructions so that we have to remove first the moisture and dust. So the thing is exactly placed on the wall where it exactly placed. And the second is gently and carefully peel out and pre-cut pieces. So this is the pre-cut pieces, and you just peel out. So just remove it and follow the numbers mentioned. As I said that number there is written, and now you can with the help of numbers you can arrange it. So it's quite difficult, but let me try to do in the another video when I can show you that how to arrange this in your wall and give a good look in your wall. So in the next video I will show you. Now let's read this. Now 4, there is placed firmly along the border of the wall stickers to ensure no loose edges. Yes, so if the loose edges remain, so it may cause the sticker will not be exactly stuck on wall. That will not be stick on wall. Okay. So if you notice any air bubbles, you can use a pin or needle to prick and squeeze out the air. And the last is voila. Okay, you did. So that is the. Thank you for your purchase with stick card. Like your product, hurry. Any problem or disputes with the product, call the numbers. There is email, everything mentioned. Okay, so should I first using? Now there is written first reading first. So I did it, and now you can see this is it is very large. And the next video I will show you on how to arrange this in wall without any problem and without any hesitations. I want to notice you that there is a picture that look like when you complete your structure. So that is the picture that is mentioned. So it will help you out to just let me try to see you very clearly. So you can see this is the picture. Now you can see, and these pictures there is number also written here. So you with this help you can arrange all of the part of this just arranged in a sequentially, and you just got a look like the demo here. So yes friend, you can see this is the arrangement that I said we have. So I already did, and now you can see in my wall practically it is on my wall. So that looks same like this, but not exactly it is. If you दिक्कत हो जाता है फोकस करने में. So now if you see the numbers, then with the help of number you can arrange it, and finally you arrange and you got this. So I found in my wall. So now, so how is it looking? So please comment us, and please like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. Use Gadget 24/7. Please, if you like this video, please like, and for more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you. For more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.